Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel insurance with UnitedHealthcare. Let's get started. First, know where your insurance came from. UnitedHealthcare plans can come from your employer, the health insurance marketplace, Medicare, or a private plan you bought yourself. This matters because the cancellation method depends on the plan type. If your insurance is 2 years up, you usually cannot cancel directly with UnitedHealthcare. You must contact your HR or benefit department. They will guide you and submit the request for you. If you bought the plan yourself, you can cancel it directly. Do that, contact UnitedHealthcare. You can do this in 3 ways. Call the member service number on the back of your insurance card or send a written cancellation request if required. You can call them clearly and tell them, I would like to cancel my insurance plan. They will ask for your full name, number ID, date of birth, and the date you want coverage to in. Make sure you opt for the exact cancellation date, and that's it. That's how you cancel United Healthcare Insurance. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.